Robert lives in Florida and he's finding that his 2014 Mustang just is not good enough for taking his kids to school. He wants something with 4 doors that's a little bit sporty-ish and, reasonable on gas mileage. With a budget of $35,000, what car should Robert buy? Now, Bobby, I'm gonna lay out a couple of options for you. The correct answer and the thing I would do. Correct answer, buy a Kia Stinger. It's got everything you're looking for. It's sporty, it's got a little luxury to it, it's got plenty of room in the back for your kids. It's got gas mileage, it's not gonna kill you. And it's got a powerful V6 turbocharged motor for blasting down those Florida highways. It really is exactly what you're looking for. But you know what, Bob? That's not what you need. What you need, my Floridian friend, is a Florida car. What I'm telling you to buy, Bobby? Dodge Charger Scat Pack. 6.4 liters of Hemi V8 power, over 470 horsepower, over 470 pound-feet of torque. Huge back seats for your kids. You don't even have to talk to them back there. They're gonna be so far away from you. You're gonna look like such a badass with your big burbling V8 and the school pickup line. Plus, again, you're a Florida man. You wanna go and do highway pulls on empty stretches of road. You know what the good news is? You can get them pretty much in your budget. Now, you're not gonna get the best one ever, but again, the Charger was never the best car ever in the first place. You're gonna be able to find one with reasonable miles, no accidents or anything like that, with, decent options for about 30, 35 grand. You might have to stretch a tiny bit, but Bob, who the hell cares? The gas mileage isn't gonna be great, but who the hell cares? You live in Florida. There's no state income tax. Use that money on gas. Do you guys agree with my choices? Let me know down below. For more car buying advice, check out jalopnik.com.